Alright, Thursday, November the 10th, 7:54. Bright sunshine, clear skies, high about 75 today, about 46 right now though. Well, not gonna be an ultra long hunt, might kill a few. Yeah, you got me a squirrel up here, you can see him on the side of that big oak tree. Alright, boys, I don't know if you can see these in the camera or not, there's two of them I know for sure. See the camera, there's a oak tree. Center of the camera right there, 91 yards. Two squirrels going up down that tree right there. See behind that little tree there, but it's all back in there. You might see one of them in there. There's two squirrels. I don't know if I'm gonna move a little closer or not. It's pretty open here. Alright, I've moved a little closer here. That old big oak right there in the center of the camera. Little prong sticking off of it. I seen a squirrel, one of them young squirrels sitting on that while ago. You can see him in this camera, but I don't see him right now with my eyes. I believe that's their den tree. Now they're running around up in there. I'm 77 yards away from that big old tree. 77 yards. Slant range is going to be a little longer than that. I don't believe that young squirrel in that tree right yonder, it's so dry, I don't think he's going to leave that tree. I don't see him up there. I believe there's about 3 of them squirrels. I believe they went up there on that old hill up there at that hickory tree. That same one I've killed all them out under. We're going to have to advance here. It's dry. These woods are sort of open here. Alright, bro, it's squirrel one on the ground. Put this camera up in here. You see that big oak over there? One of the limbs on this broke off. That limb right there, you feel like there's 68.5, 69 yards. Shot him right in there, right in there. There's 38X on that camera. There's that prong on that oak tree where I seen a young squirrel, a real young squirrel. I ain't seen him no more. I seen him long distance. We're going to slip over here at this other oak tree where I shot this squirrel. It sounded like a delayed fall. Now, I aimed at the head, boys. We're going to see what happens. Good, the bad, or the ugly. Alright, boys, there he is. That's 68.5, 69 yards. See that eyeball on that squirrel? That's a good shot. Now that's cold barrel, boys, right out the gate. Little to no wind blowing. Now it'll come up as this day progresses. I'm not going to hunt very long. And he's got a buddy about that size. I've seen him too, but he's smart. That's a good eating squirrel right there, boys. About 200 or 300 like it right there, boy. You'd have some real grub. Melt in your mouth. Alright, we got us an old fox squirrel up here. We ain't shot him yet, but he slipped around that knob over there, up there, okay? You'll see a group of little trees right there. That's 88.5 yards on them trees right there. He went around the hill above them a little bit. He may come back here. He got him a hickory tree over here he likes a whole lot. I had an encounter with this fox squirrel here not too long ago, but I didn't get him. Okay, I found this old fox squirrel. I've come around this hill. It's steep here, boys. I'm going to show it to you in the camera. I'm going to try to kill this squirrel. It's going to be a thin shot. Let's see. Look at that tree right there. See him sitting right there. Right in there. Look at him. Old fox squirrel. That's 24 inch on that camera. Alright, boy, that old fox squirrel, he busted the ground wide open. Should be a headshot. You got hit right there on the chin. Can come out over here on this side. He's looking right at me. Turn this camera off and turn it around. He's looking right down at me. And boys, 2 squirrels, 1 gray squirrel, 1 old fox squirrel. They got hit on the chin. Come out over here on his side. I ain't gonna like that right there. His head's sort of cocked. So I didn't see, that's the only two. I seen one more squirrel, maybe two. It's hot out here. It's over 70 degrees right now.